Azhar Ismail, a businessman from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Recently, I have seen many advertisements in the social media where you are promoting medicine for diabetes. Are these medicines really as effective as claimed in the advertisements? Let me clarify to you that many of my friends in the last few days have forwarded me these ads that you're speaking about, where they show me my photographs which they picked up from my Facebook and from my social media, and claiming in the Malay language, saying that purchase this medicine for diabetes, it will get cured. These people are doing an act which is haram. I have not given them permission at all to use my photographs. I am not promoting any medicine for diabetes. What these people are doing, they seem to be Muslims, but they're doing a haram act where to earn some benefits, they are illegally using my photographs picked up from my Facebook or picked up from my social media, and they're putting in the ad and mentioning in Malay that I am advising the Muslim Ummah to buy these medicines for diabetes. It is a big haram. And I have asked my lawyers to send a letter to them and to sue them, and very shortly they would be sued regarding, are these medicines effective? If these people are using deception to sell these medicine, surely these medicine also will be deceptive. And in medical field, it is not right to use advertisement to promote a medicine, especially fake advertisement. Using a photograph of a person who is well known and using my photograph is totally haram, it's illegal, and surely we will see to it that these people are brought to task. But let me tell you and let me make an announcement that these people are big fraud. So if you see an ad of any medicine and diabetes, and I've seen many such ads, I was shocked. Different photos I picked up from my social media. I also saw an ad that I'm telling you to buy caps, So these people, for their small gain, they will be punished in the Akhirah. And I tell the viewers that please be careful of such deceptive ads, and please don't buy this medicine. They are big fraud, and inshallah we'll see to it that these people are taught a lesson.